And in partnership with KEFIS and other organizations, we've been able to bring some bit of knowledge and training to the farmers to be able to identify counterfeit seeds and be able to eventually avoid counterfeit seeds and plant the only original seed that is going to help them achieve what they are trying to get, that is secure productivity from their farms.
That's why the Minister of Agriculture has really pushed us to make sure that we are doing constant surveillances all around the country to ensure that anyone or anywhere we have a report of fake seed, KEFIS inspectors go there and we take the necessary measures.